it's like the easiest thing to do, but I've decided to break it down into steps because this video is meant for beginners. So if you haven't used the cleanser at all and you're confused how to use it, should I just put it directly on my face? Should I put it in the water and make it to foam and pour it on my face or whatnot? Then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to this video. Welcome to my channel. If you're watching me for the first time, thank you so much for watching. It's so good to have you here. Please click on the like button and on the subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Thank you so much. So today we're beginning a new series which is called Skincare Basics. So basically this series is about me walking you through how to set up a simple skincare routine step by step. So each video is going to feature each step in a simple skincare routine. And today we're going to be starting with cleansing. So every good skincare routine starts with cleansing your face. And to cleanse, before you start the cleansing process as a whole, there are 3 things you have to remember before you start any skincare routine. One is your skin type. If you don't yet know your skin type, I have a video in which I made about how to find out your skin type. So if you do not know your skin type, not to worry, just use the link in my description and watch that video on how to know your skin type, and then you'll be able to tell what skin type you belong to, because knowing your skin type will help you have a proper, a good and effective skincare routine. So another thing you have to know before cleansing is after knowing your skin type is to know the type of cleanser for each skin type. Also, I have a video on that. It's also in the description, so you can know what type of cleanser that your particular skin type needs. For example, if you're oily skin, then you know that you need a foaming cleanser. If you're dry skin, you know you need a creamy cleanser. If you're sensitive skin, and all of that. So they are all in that video explained why you need that, and the effects, the advantages, the disadvantages of using wrong cleansers. So find that video also in my description. So you're going to my description for skin type and types of cleansers. So now let's begin this video. Okay, one more thing. Hold your horses, not there yet. One more thing you have to remember while cleansing is that if you wear a lot of makeup, that's if you're someone who wears makeup or sunscreen, which by the way, you should always wear a sunscreen. We're going to get to that in this series, but I'm just going to start right off saying always wear a sunscreen. All your skincare routine must have a sunscreen included. Even if you have a 2-step skincare routine, it should include a sunscreen. If you have a 1-step skincare routine, I don't know how that works, but it should still have a sunscreen. So if you wear sunscreen, which you should, or a lot of makeup or any makeup at all, or if you're just someone who goes out a lot, so you know that there was going to be a lot of dirt and oils on your face, then it is most advisable to double cleanse. And I'm going to tell you what a double cleansing means. Double cleansing means that you have to cleanse twice with 2 different cleansers, preferably an oil cleanser and a water-based cleanser. Now, the oil cleanser goes deeper into your skin and it goes into your pores and it helps unclog them, bringing out all the dirt, the sweat, the makeup and excess sebum from your skin out. And then the water-based cleanser cleanses it off. The water-based cleanser cleanses off the oil cleanser with all the dirt away from your skin. So you see how it works? This one brings it out, the other one washes it away. That's why you need to double cleanse. Now, step 1 in cleansing. Basically, it's like the easiest thing to do, but I have decided to break it down into steps because this video is meant for beginners. So if you haven't used the cleanser at all and you're confused how to use it, should I just put it directly on my face? Should I put it in the water and make it a foam, then pour it on my face or whatnot? Then this video is for you. First of all, you have to wet your face, and then you have to take a bit of your cleanser and put it on your hand. That's just step one. And rub your hands together. I would have preferred doing this video as a demonstrational video where you actually get to see me cleanse. I don't know if I will be able to find one of my cleansing videos to add. Sorry, I'm talking too much. I just want you to understand it very well, because it's important to me that you really understand it, because that is what my channel is for you to understand. I'm not just making videos for you to watch and get entertained. I'm making videos that you watch and learn stuff. That is why you might find me that I talk too much. Although I talk so much on a normal day. So, rub your hands together. Do we have to do it that way? Do I have to do it that way? Okay. So let's get into serious business now. So you put the cleanser in your hand. You rub your hands together. Remember that you always have to wet your face first. Whether it's a creamy cleanser you're using, or a foaming cleanser, or whatever cleanser, you have to wet your face first. Then you apply it on your face. In circular motions, you have to take the cleanser in circular motions all around your face, not forgetting your neck and your hairline. Keep doing that for 60 seconds. Reason being that if you cleanse for less than 60 seconds, there is a more likely chance of you not getting everything out of your pores, out of your face. The product don't get to do what it's meant to do, which is cleanse on your face. So there are these brushes that people use that has its own timer. It's kind of easy, but if you do not have that brush and you do not want to spend money getting that brush, you can totally use your hand to do it. You can just, while doing it, you can sing happy birthday 2 times, and that should be enough. That by the time you're done with the second rhyme, by the time you're done singing the song for the second time, then you would have cleansed your face enough. Then you just rinse out with water. That is if you're where you can get access to opportunity to rinse your face, or you can just use how to wipe it all over your face. But then while wiping it off your face, avoid dragging the towel on your skin. Just be as thorough as, the key is to be as thorough as possible, but yet as gentle as possible, because you don't want to be dragging your skin, because that can hurt your skin and that can cause an irritation, especially if you have sensitive skin. So in the case where you rinse your face, then you know that you just have to pat dry and then go in with a toner, and that's all for cleansing. Simple. So that's about it for this episode. In the next episode, I'm going to be talking about how to exfoliate. I'm going to skip the whole toning process for now and just go right into exfoliating, but we're going to come back to it on a later date. Reason being that I want to thoroughly explain what that means, and in this series I'm not going to be making long videos, so I won't have the opportunity to do that. So that's about it for this video. Don't forget to click on the like button and on the subscribe button if you have not. Turn on the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video in this series, which will be talking about exfoliation. Stay you, stay beautiful, stay true, stay cool. I love you. Bye.